Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Peacefully situated in Beverly Hills, this luxurious upgraded home embraces living areas of 6,000 square feet, includes staff quarters, pool house with bathroom and guard room with ample gathering areas and 0.69 acres. The house boasts a bright kitchen with open formal dining area. There are four bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. The primary has a jacuzzi and double quartz vanity sinks and travertine walls and floor. The foyer has 30 feet high vaulted ceilings. Flooring of Jatoba hardwood and porcelain. Living rooms on each floor, a family room and home office. Powder rooms and patios with scenic views. Pool and spa with customized water feature. Basement with bathroom. Home gym. Billiard table. Entertainment center. There is a two-car garage with automated door. Amenities includes solar water heater, generator, water tank, inverter AC units, ceiling fans, fully grilled, electronic alarm system. The tranquil yard is large and well-rooted. The architecture and interior design make this home distinct. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US 6,800 or Jamaican 1,046,000 per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.